Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Peacock TV on Amazon FireStick. Now, before installing it in your Amazon FireStick, if you don't have your plan activated with Peacock TV, then what you need to do is you need to simply come to peacocktv.com and then select the Pick a Plan option. After that, you just have to choose the premium or the premium plus plan and click on it in order to redirect on the payment page. Now, once you are on the payment page, you just have to simply provide your payment details like your credit or debit card, and you just have to simply get the premium plan of Peacock TV. Now, once you have it, you just have to simply open the Amazon Fire Stick in your device, and from the home screen you need to select the find icon. After that, you need to select the graphics that says App Store. Then select the search bar at the top of the screen and type Peacock. Once you are able to find it, you just have to simply tap on it. After that, you can see a download icon, or instead of download you can even get the get icon. So you just have to simply tap on it, and then the Peacock TV application will be start downloading in your device. Now once it is installed successfully, you just have to tap on open button. Now, as you already have a plan on it, so you just have to simply sign up into your account, and now you can start streaming Peacock TV's content on your Amazon Fire Stick. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.